Hey guys, it's Glenn. Welcome to my 60-minute reseller review. I'm actually going to show you the demo of it. We're going to walk through the back office of it, and I'm going to show you all the upgrades. Okay, so first off, let's watch the video of what it is. Well, actually, first off, make sure you hit subscribe so you get the videos for when I make these review videos. But first off, we're going to watch we're going to let John explain to you exactly what 60-minute reseller is because they explain it better than I can. And then we'll go through the upsells, the back office, and show you exactly how this product works and what it is. And does it actually live up to its name of learn exactly how to create a complete sales funnel on JVZoo from scratch and get everything ready to start making sales in less than 60 minutes. So let's take a look. All right, so here's the video.
Hi everyone and welcome to 60-Minute Reseller. You probably already know that all of the big marketers online generate most of their income from selling their own products and services. And I'm sure you've seen the big guns sell thousands of copies of their own offers on the JVZoo platform. However, most people don't have the time or knowledge to create something of their own, and they don't know where to start when it comes to adding a product on JVZoo. Well, what if I told you that you could create an income stream of your own on the JVZoo platform from a standing start in less than 60 minutes? We're talking about a complete sales funnel here. Plus, you don't even have to create a product of your own. Now, I'm sure you've seen many marketers claim to show you exactly what you need to do to start making sales online. But if you look deeper into their claims, you'll find that it involves a complicated and lengthy procedure. Let's face it, nobody wants to spend days or even weeks of their valuable time creating product sales pages and sales funnels. And then there's all the behind the scenes stuff like setting up payment processes, affiliate programs, exit pages, and list building elements. That's exactly why we created a 60-minute reseller. With our step-by-step 60-minute reseller training, you'll be able to take any reseller or private label rights product and turn a profit in record time. Plus, once you have the blueprint, you'll be able to implement it over and over again, giving you the ability to create endless streams of income with your resale rights or private label rights material that you probably already have sitting gathering dust on your hard drive right now. In our 60-minute reseller training, we show you absolutely everything, step by step. We show you how to find the very best reseller products that are already done for you. We show you how to edit everything and prepare it to sell. We show you the simplest way to upload your pages and get them online. We show you how to tweak any graphics and content on all of your pages. We show you how to edit your JV page and get it ready for affiliates to use so they can promote your product. We show you how you can very simply edit your opt-in page to get it ready to start receiving subscribers from your new product. We'll show you how to get your front-end product added to the JVZoo platform ready to sell. We'll show you how to add an upsell product so that you can create your own sales funnel. We'll show you how you can create your own sales funnel that includes all of your products. We'll show you how you can link up all of your sales funnel with no thanks links. We'll show you how you can set up the affiliate program in JVZoo. This will allow affiliates to promote your product. And we'll show you how you can very simply test the entire sales process. And we do all of that in front of your very eyes, step by step, in under 60 minutes. Yes, we don't just explain what you need to do, we physically show you how to do everything right in front of your very eyes so you can very easily duplicate everything we do. In less than 60 minutes, you could have your very own product on the JVZoo platform with a complete sales funnel, making sales and generating subscribers. Remember, we don't just explain what you need to do, we physically show you step by step. We've even included a countdown timer in the video training, so you can physically see it counting down from 60 minutes as we show you everything that you need to do. This is the only product to ever physically show you before your very eyes how to create a complete, ready-to-go sales funnel on the JVZoo platform in less than 60 minutes. So let me ask you a quick question. If you could create an income stream in under 60 minutes, how many would you create? Just imagine if you spent just 60 minutes per day implementing what we teach. This time next year, you could have 365 income streams online, all with the potential to generate huge revenue. Remember, we have left absolutely nothing to chance. We physically show you absolutely everything. You can grab this right now at a very special, massively discounted price, but only during this very special launch period. So check out all the details on this page, and we look forward to showing you how to become a 60-minute reseller. See you on the inside, guys.
All right, guys, so that is the video. This is part of the sales page. So is their claim for real? Actually, yes, it is. I'm going to show you over here. This is actually the 60-minute expert. This is the product that I own. I owned the 25 PLR package download. All the training is in here, guys. This is for 60-minute Warrior, which is for putting a product on Warrior Plus. It's going to be the same training, except it's for JVZoo. So it's just an amazing, easy to use. Like I said, all the training is here, step by step by step. It's very, very simple to follow. They show you exactly how to do everything in 60 minutes. So you don't have to worry about you're not getting the training, because this is for real. These guys are top sellers on ClickBank, on JVZoo, and on Warrior Plus. So let's go through so we looked at the sales page. Let's see, this is it. You can get it for $15 right now. That is the 60-minute reseller. The first upsell they're going to give you is constant traffic. So they're going to give you 150,000 full private label rights, templates, 45-day traffic plan, website traffic resources, 51 online ads if you want to go into the paid ads routine, traffic tactics, targeted traffic, simple traffic solutions. So, guys, there's just a ton of different ways to get traffic. That's a $20 upgrade. You can get their giant graphics package, because if you're making products and you want to start, after you make their done for you products, you can actually start making your own products. So you're able to get this gigantic graphics package, which you can get, or I think you can get both of them. I think if you do no thank you to the two of them, you can get both upgrades for one price. So that's pretty cool. Just check it out. So what happens if you don't do an upgrade, guys? Just go back in your browser and you can go get that upgrade if you want. After that, there is the how to create a 6-figure launch battle plan. So it gets into the launching. That's only $5. Highly recommend it. Our personal launch document developed over 15 years. And then they've got more PLR that you can buy, the 25 top quality products. So you're able to sell 7 ways to successful sleep, how to create perfect online video. These are all done for you guys. These are basically click, and it just shows you exactly how to get these products up for sale on JVZoo. So those are done for you products. There's another upgrade for another 50 more. So you get even more products, and you get the full PLR. Well, let's see. This is 25 with full PLR, and this is 50 more. And there's videos on each one. You guys can check it out. So you can pick up what I own, the 60-minute Warrior. You can pick that up here as well. So you can pick up the 60-minute Warrior. So this shows you how to put it on Warrior Plus, and this is especially a special discount for you. And then they have the membership sites. So they show you how to make membership sites so you can get paid monthly on a recurring. So that this is a really great upgrade, guys. Power Marketing Cloud product, all these things. So this is membership sites, guys. This is really awesome stuff. And that is $197, because those are monthly payments that you can create. And the last one is the Platinum Reseller. Oh, that's my login. No, I didn't get the Platinum. There's a Platinum Reseller upgrade as well, guys. So those are the upgrades. I'm also throwing in my bonuses here. You're going to get my flagship course on how to make 10K a month. Also how to do affiliate marketing if you're really broke. So these are other tactics to get people onto your list and then get them through to your products as well. ClickBank Mastery, content marketing, and all the bonuses that they offer. They've got a bunch of bonuses there. So what is my opinion of this product? Basically, guys, let's go back to the sales page here. It's a great product. There's about a day left to pick this up for the discount price. I don't know when the discount ends. I don't know what it'll cost. It'll probably be about $25. So I definitely, if you go to this page and you get it for the 15, $20 or whatever it is, pick it up. You definitely want to be picking it up. So this has been, I really like this product. The training is top notch. It is step by, they don't leave anything out for you. So you're not going to be worried about that. You're not going to know how to do something because they show you exactly how to do everything. Nothing is hidden, and it's really not that complicated. You just have to follow the steps. All right, guys, this has been my 60-minute reseller review. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.